It is a 1,000-gallon auto gas fill station. We have the Euro nozzle on there, which is the newest model that's out there, and it goes to the Bluebird bus that they purchased one to start, and now they have 3. You don't have the diesel black smoke coming out of the back end of it as it goes down the road. It's quiet, so the bus driver can hear the kids, and a safer bus for the kids to ride on. The driver knows what's going on at all times. The amount of oil that it takes to put in a system versus putting in a diesel, 7 gallons to 7 quarts is what the difference is on that, let alone the price of propane versus diesel. You don't have to pay for electrical for the plug-in at all. That's a big deal through the winter. The reason that I decided to work Westmor is the knowledge that Jim Olson from Westmor brought to the table. Jim kept us both in the loop with the school district and myself, and what was going on, where things were at, when the system would be here, when it would be up and running, how the state paperwork was going forward. So we were never wondering where we were at on that situation.